month number 2.
Chain busting look like rainbows.
I think I need to give you some stuff.
Do you have the thyroid results from your OB?
Yeah, I can show them to you if you want.
TSH is the opposite.
Okay.
So if the TSH is low, it usually means your thyroid is either high or normal. When your thyroid levels are low, then your TSH goes really high.
Okay. Why didn't y'all tell me I still had my scarf on? Still got my damn scarf on. Walked in there looking crazy. Good morning, welcome and welcome back to my channel. ibrenee. We're back with another vlog. I need to hurry up and get home so I can film, record, do all the things. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm off work because I had this doctor's appointment and I didn't know, it was a new doctor, I didn't know how long it was gonna take. Of course, it's a new doctor, I already had an issue, so I figured they would need blood work and stuff, which they did. So I had my regular appointment, and this, I swear to y'all, this man came in there and he was a million years old. A million years old, okay? But if you get your money, you know what I'm saying? We'll see how it goes. I'm probably gonna go home, eat something really quick, take a nap, and then get into motion of doing all these things that I need to do, besides obviously taking care of my health. I told you guys that I started working with 3 companies, right? So 2 I'm already currently working with right now. One of them I have, I don't even want to tell you guys because it's a lot. 30 items. I have 30 products. I have 30 products that I need to look at. And then the other company, I already did most of like the filming process. I just need to put it together and add some words and stuff like that and post it. And yeah, I'm excited about that one. And I really liked that product that I used. Okay, I'm all over the place because I'm just in my thoughts right now. And I just can't believe that that actually transpired. Also, I did my nails. Sometimes I don't show you guys my nails because it's like, how many times do you guys want to see me do my nails? Especially if I'm not doing anything like spectacular to them. Oh my God, my memory card is running out. But yeah. Hello guys, we're back. Long story short, I went to the doctor because if you watch like some of my previous vlogs, I've been having issues. Turns out I have thyroids, or I don't know if I have thyroid. I don't even know. I don't even know if I can say that. My thyroid levels were off. That's what my OBGYN told me. She ran like every test that she completely could think of after I told her like what has been happening since giving birth to my boy. And that was one thing that she found, that my thyroid was off. So I needed to find a primary care physician. I found a doctor. I don't know if it's gonna be my primary care physician, but I found him, okay? For now, he'll do. Listen, I hope, you probably can see it in my eyes. I'm tired as hell right now. And I cannot stop being tired. Like, I have random bursts of energy throughout the day. And it's not even that many, like 1 or 2. I have 1 or 2 bursts of energy throughout the day, and then I'm pretty much a walking zombie after that. So yeah, I be struggling to like keep up with life and all of that stuff. I know you guys see me, like, obviously I'm in the vlog, I'm doing stuff and I'm moving around, but my energy levels I be friends. Basically, not friends, but I just be like pushing through so that I can get life done. Hold on, I just got this message from the energy company. Reduce your electricity usage between 3 and 7 daily. It's hot. What do you want me to do? Turn it off? That's not happening. Dinner is already cooked from last night, so I don't have to do anything except basically prep myself for tomorrow's workload. But anyway, that's really what's been happening. Not too much. I'm feeling really cute in my little outfit. I like fake Skims. Oh, almost fell. Real cute, real comfy. Not that you guys care. Well, maybe you should, okay? This is a lesson. Sometimes I blame it on being tired, but it's also my nature. So in addition to that being my nature and being tired, it just like X game mode, right? So I forget things sometimes. I'm gonna put this up. And then I forget where that up is, right? So I ordered another SD card. I'm in my drawer, in my desk, and I see this package. It's not opened. It's a tiny box. And I'm like, what the hell is this? Open it, and it's a damn SD card. Now, you know what? I'm gonna look and see how long this mug's been sitting in this damn desk. Please don't embarrass me. Oh my God. I'm gonna show you when I ordered this SD card. Y'all see that date? And when I tell you it was still in the package, I mean still in the I had to cut it open because the seal was still sealed.
You done took the Winnebago.
Aww.
Well, how do you even know my granddaddy?
Oh, right.
How do you know my granddaddy?
What's up, guys? It is Saturday morning. I'm basically just setting up right now so that I can film my little nail tutorial. I'm gonna finish setting up, do my nails, and then I'll be back. Aftermath of me doing my nails. Oh my God. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna clean up my mess. I did record it because I was using something new. I used this air compressor that I got from Amazon. But yeah, these are how my nails came out. You can see them, kind of not really. But anyway, they came out cute. I like them. But I have to clean up my shit because, girl. And I could just chill until my husband gets home and we're actually going on a date. We ain't been on a date in a hot minute. If you have little children, then you would understand, okay? The struggle is real.
to get your lane. But we ain't put the information in to get our lane.
Yeah, I get. You said we'll still get a text though when the lane is ready. I mean, our snack. No limit.
What?
No limit.
What? I thought it was 500. It's fucking good.
Drink number 2. Same drink, but number 2. Cherry limeade and Grey Goose.
What I don't understand is why, if I ask for caramel onions, you still give me the regular one too.
You got both?
I got 2 onions. I don't get it.
Oh wait, I need to get a ball. The people next to us built up the fucking thing with balls. Now I gotta be the asshole to take some balls out. Anyway, so we had bed, food was mid. And we about to bowl. And then go play some games. It was supposed to be a 3-hour wait, but it was only like 1.5, so that's good. I'm telling them it's gonna party till. I'm gonna go get me a bowl and I'll be right back. First bowl of the night. First bowl. Okay, waiting our turn. All right, baby. All right, baby. Okay, my very first two bowls in the first round fucked. But I did just get my first strike. Jody still beating me, but I did get a strike. Yeah. All these drinks in there. Oh yeah, he's gonna get this one. Yep. Over here showing out and shit. I said you was over here showing out. Need to try again.
I don't know, yeah. I don't know if they give you all the one.
Kick your ass. Oh no! No.
I'll make it slow.
Oh no.
I'll make it slow.
You gotta put the opposite.
Oh, that's why.
Fuck you, cat woman. Oh no, you cut me.
I don't know how to not stop.
100! I got 100 points.
Well, at least you got yourself 4 tickets.
No!
You in?
Am I blue or green? I don't know.
I'm green.
Oh no! Oh fuck!
I ain't gonna bring it to us. I I stay on the left side. You stay on the right side. Feel everything on the left, on the right. I got him. Reload.
Oh, I swung the wrong way. Oh no. Mississippi Valley State University. Okay, good morning, y'all. Today is Thursday. Kept meaning to film, but I just wasn't feeling it. So, and I wasn't doing much anyway. So, I'm just a regular wife and mom, okay? And sometimes a bad bitch. Yo, I'm so hungry right now. I'm on my way to work. Yeah, I'm on my way to work right now. I have to work in the office this week. I was thinking about doing this. I had this like really cute idea in my head, like cute outfits I wore to work this week. It didn't pan out. It didn't pan out. So I go like into the office on a rotation, and so I can't do it again for a minute, but yeah, I still want to do that because I have a lot of cute clothes. Did I wear any of them this week? We had a 10-day streak in Houston of being over 100 degrees, and yesterday was the first day that it was under, like, the high was 94. Yeah, a girl walked outside and I was like, oh, this is nice. This feels real good. I'm ready for the heat to be over. Like, I don't mind it being hot, but like hundreds, that's enough. Like, that's enough. The sun is taking that job too serious. Wearing my, I gotta show you guys my outfit because it's pretty cute. I actually didn't look at myself before I left, but I feel like it's cute. You said you sent it over for correction, and then I can give you a call back. Thank you. Have a good one. It'll take about 10 minutes to push through, but you should see it shortly. No problem. Have a good day. Bye. Water break. My old boss saw me and they were like, what's up, what you doing today? Why you dressed so fancy? No, I'm not fancy today. I just have on heels and I never have on heels at work. I usually wear like a casually dressed up work outfit, but I have sneakers on. Yeah, I'm that girl at work. So good. Okay. Not much is happening, but I'll come back on my lunch break.